Did you know the cheap, humble, and common cabbage can do miracles for your health? The list of health benefits you'll receive after including it in your diet is quite long. People from all around the world use cabbage to treat constipation, gout, arthritis, stomach ulcer, obesity, headaches, skin issues, jaundice, eczema, eye disorders, heart disease, Alzheimer's, scurvy, weight loss, etc. Cabbage is a great source of potassium, therefore it prevents potassium deficiency. This, in turn, helps reduce cholesterol and systolic blood pressure, supports the heart health and stimulates liver detox. Just like other cruciferous vegetables, cabbage helps balance the blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, reduce tumor size, and kill cancer cells. In fact, the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention published a 2014 study which shows cabbage can help prevent cancer, coronary artery disease, and other chronic diseases related to oxidative stress. The researchers explained that these benefits of cabbage come from its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Moreover, the Western Journal of Medicine published another study which showed cabbage juice can significantly improve the condition of duodenal and gastric ulcer patients. Cabbage Nutrition Facts Fiber. Thanks to its high levels of fiber, cabbage is one of the best foods for your stomach. As we said, it can also help treating stomach ulcers. Antioxidants. Cabbage is loaded with antioxidants which help boost the brain function, reduce inflammation, and protect against cancer. Glucosinolates. These sulfur-based compounds provide potent anti-cancer properties. Once inside your body, they become isothiocyanates, compounds which stop the growth of cancer cells. Cabbage for weight loss. This vegetable is recommended for anyone who likes to lose weight in a healthy way. Although it's very low in calories, a cup of cooked cabbage has 33 calories. It's packed with important minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients which will keep you full for longer. This is one of the many reasons why many people recommend this cabbage broth. You will lose weight while eating a lot at the same time receiving its numerous health benefits. Besides helping you lose weight in a healthy way, this cabbage broth will boost your health. It contains other healthy ingredients which will further enhance its healing properties as well as improve its taste. Here's how to prepare a delicious cabbage broth that will help you lose weight and boost your health. Cabbage broth recipe. Ingredients: cabbage, carrots, onion, broccoli, other vegetables optional. Water preparation: chop the carrots and onion, shred the cabbage, and cut the broccoli into florets. Then, boil the water and add ingredients. Remember, you can add as many vegetables as you want. Also, you are the one who decided about the exact amount of the ingredients. But, make sure you use at least half of a head of cabbage. Simmer the cabbage with all the ingredients, and add salt to taste. That's it. Your healthy, delicious broth is ready. Enjoy!